Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Diska Wulandari with student identification number 121230010. Here I will review an article entitled Superior Flame Resistance, Thermal Insulation and Mechanical Property of Conjugate Glucomannan or Sodium Alginate Biomass Aerogel modified by supramolecular assembled phytic acid melamine nanosheet. Here the table of contents. First, reference. Second, abstract. Third, introduction. 4. Methodology. 5. Discussion. 6. Conclusion. 7. Excess. 8. Disadvantage. Here the reference I talk. First is abstract. The development of environmentally friendly biomass-based aerogel with superior fire resistance, thermal insulation, and mechanical property simultaneously has long been a challenge. The study successfully produced polysaccharide-based aerogels made of conjugate glucomannan, sodium alginate, and supramolecularly arranged melamine phytate or MPA nanosheet via freeze drying method. Due to the outstanding ability of MPA nanosheet to form char and release non-combustible gas, the thermal stability and fire resistance of the aerogel were significantly improved. This research offers an environmentally friendly approach in manufacturing sustainable and multifunctional flame-retardant aerogels, with promising potential application in the future. Here I will discuss the importance of developing thermal insulation material that not only have good fire resistance but also biodegradable property to prevent fire accident caused by organic insulation material. They are highly flammable. We have to know what is aerogel. Aerogel is superior thermal insulation material with a great potential for various applications. It is lightweight with high porosity, and it is also excellent thermal insulation, fire retardant, and soundproofing. As the use of thermal insulation material in building increase, fire accidents caused by this material are also becoming more frequent. Many thermal insulation material used, such as expanded polystyrene foam and polyethylene foam, will effective in thermal insulation are high flammable and not environmentally friendly. Therefore, there is an urgent need to develop safer, more fire-resistant materials that can also biodegrade naturally. One potential solution to this issue is the use of biomass-based aerosols. Aerosols have high porosity, large surface area, and excellent insulating property. Biomass aerosols, especially those based on polysaccharide such as conjugate glucosamine or KGM and sodium alginate or SA, offer good biodegradability. However, although KGM-SA based on aerosol grid promise in terms of insulation property, their performance is still limited, especially regarding fire resistance and mechanical strength. To address this limitation, the addition of flame retardants is essential. One promising flame retardant is melamine phosphate or MPA. MPA has the ability to form a supermolecular network with phytic acid, which can enhance fire resistance to mechanisms, the gas phase, and the consent phase. In the gas phase, MPA can release non-flammable gas such as ammonium and nitrogen, which dilute the flammable components. In the condensation phase, MPA helps from a stable solid core layer. The further blocks combustion. This research to develop KGM and SA-based aerosol modified with MPA. By integrating MPA into the aerosol structure, we hope to improve the fire resistance, thermal insulation, and compressive strength of the material. The expected is aerosol is the more efficient as insulation material with better fire resistance and low thermal conductivity. Next is methodology. We have a material. The first is KGM or conjugate glucosamine, supplied by high-bay constant conjugate technology with a molecular weight of 9.67 times 10 powers of 5 gram per mole. SA or sodium alginate purchased from McLean Biochemical with a viscosity of 200 plus minus 20 meter pascal times second. Third is PA or phytic acid, aqueous solution 50 WT% provided by McLean Biochemical Co. with molecular weight of 660.04 gram per mole. For mel or melamine supplied by McLean Biochemical with a molecular weight of 126.12 gram per mole. Starting the molecule MPA or metaphenylalanine, this molecule has any function group that can participate in the formation of hydrogen bonds. KGM or kappa carrageenan is the type of polysaccharide that is often used in the food and pharmaceutical industry. KGM also has hydroxy group that can form hydrogen bonds. SA or sodium alginate is also polysaccharide that is often used in the food and pharmaceutical industry. SA also has hydroxy group that can also form hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds and cross-linking. The functional group of the MPA, KGM, and SA molecules interact with each other through hydrogen bonding. These hydrogen bonds form a kind of bridge that connects of molecular. This cross-linking process leads to the formation and interconnect three-dimensional network. First, drying process. The solution containing the hydrogen molecules is then frozen. The ice from is then sublimated, changed directly from solid to gas phase under vacuum condition. This process causes pores to form in the material. The final structure after the freeze and drying process, a material with a porous three-dimensional structure is obtained. This porosity is very important for various applications. For example, as absorbent, catalyst, or drug hammer. Next is preparation of MPA or melanin acid nanosheet. First, disperse 34.8 gram of mel in 400 ml of diluted water at 80 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes using a water bath. Second, slowly add 44% BPF diluted PA solution to the mel dispersion at 80 for 30 minutes with mechanical stirring. Third, cool the dispersion to room temperature, collect the sediment by vacuum filtration, and wash the distilled water. 4. Dry the product in an oven at 80 degrees Celsius until a constant weight is achieved, obtaining the MPA nanosheet. Next, we have a preparation of KGM or SA or MPA aerogel. First, disperse MPA in 100 grams of diluted water, then add SA and KGM. Second, stir the mixture at 80 Celsius and constant speed of 900 rpm for 1 hour. Third, transfer the salt into a 6-well petri dish. Store is 4 Celsius for 30 minutes. 4. Freeze the sample at minus 15 Celsius for 8 hours. Then perform freeze drying at minus 50 Celsius and 4 Pascal for 48 hours to obtain the aerogel. The result aerogel is called as KS until MPA. Next is dry density. Dry density measuring using an analytical balance and volume calculated based on diameter and height of the aerogel. Porosity estimate by comparing the weight of the aerogel samples submerged in ethanol before after drying using a vacuum. The porosity calculation is based on specific equation. Di situ for transfer infrared spectroscopy or FTIR analysis. Produced samples were sliced into 2 millimeter times 2 millimeter times 2 millimeter times pieces, dried at 60 Celsius for 12 hours to remove moisture. Scanning range 600 until 400 centimeter with a resolution of 4 centimeter and 32 scans. Next is microstructure analysis. Scanning electron microscopy or SEM used to observe the microstructure of aerogel samples and MPA nanosheet. Samples were coated with gold before imaging. Atomic force microscopy or FEM used for observing the morphology and height of MPA nanosheet. X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy or XPS analyzes the elemental composition of MPA. Next is mechanical property. Compression test using texture analysis with 30 kilogram load cell and a disc shape probe. Compression speed 1 millimeter per second. Compression percentage 60%. Formula: the compressive strength is calculated using the applied force and the initial cross-sectional area of the sample. Next is thermal insulation property. Thermal conductivity measuring using a steady state method with a thermal conductivity tester. Sample placed between two metal plates, one hot and the other cooled. Thermal insulation performance. Temperature distribution observed with an infrared camera when the aerogel sample was exposed to 180 Celsius heat. Next is thermal insulation property. Thermal stability. Thermographic analysis or TGA performed in nitrogen atmosphere to study the thermal degradation of aerogel. Samples we heated from 40 to 800 Celsius. Next is burning behavior. Burning test. Aerogel samples were exposed to high temperature toast for 5 seconds. LOI or limiting oxygen index, measuring according to ASTM the 2H697 heat release at measure with a microcalorimeter. Next is carbonization layer analysis. Raman spectroscopy, the carbonization layer of aerogel sample after combustion was analyzed using Raman spectroscopy to observe structural change. Next is thermographic metric Fourier transfer infrared or TGFTIR analysis. Produced TGFTIR analysis was conducted under nitrogen atmosphere to identify the gases released during the thermal degradation from 40 to 700 Celsius. Next is discussion with 3.1 synthesis and characterization of MPA nanosheet. To verify the success of MPA nanosheet synthesis, what structural and thermal property were characterized? FTIR spectra figure 2A showed the characteristic amina peak at 3,468 and 3,349 centimeter was observed in male but separate in MPA with new peaks at 3,030 and 3,125 centimeter attribute to nihonium and slightly uncrate amina. For PA, absorption peaks at 3,330 and for PA absorption peaks at 3,426 and 1,636 centimeter, correct responder to hydroxy and hydrogen phosphate groups, and peaks at 1,150 and 1,070 centimeter are associated with phosphate. In MPA, the bending vibration of amina shifted from 1,600 centimeter to 1,684 centimeter due to molecular interaction through amina groups. A new peak at 1,504 centimeter attribute to ammonium oxygen upright, and the triazine ring vibration 849 was also observed. The result confirmed that MPA exhibits a successfully self-assembled structure incorporating separating both male and PA characteristics in the FTIR spectrum. XRD, or figure to be, confirmed by the crystalline structure of male were peaks at 2 theta SAM 13.2, 14.94, 17.75, and other 9.6, 40.13, and 27.70, indicating the disruption of male intrinsic crystal structure. Thermal stability shown in TG and DTG curves by figure C and D. Indicated that MPA had good thermality with a 45 residue at 700. XPS spectra figure 2E confirm that presence of phosphorus and nitrogen will SAM the to have show MPA nanosheet with characteristic parallelogram shape AVM or figure 2G and 2He showed a transfer diameter 300 nanometer and thickness of 10 nanometer, consistent with similar study. This confirms the successful synthesis of MPA nanosheet. (30.2) Molecular interaction in Ks-MPa aerogel. Hydrogen bonding is the primary molecular interaction in polysaccharide due to abundant hydroxyl groups, contributing the cross-linking the formation at 3D network structure in aerogel. FTIR spectra of KGM and MPA figure 3A and 3B showed characteristic peaks from Manax in KGM, carboxyl groups in SA, and specific MPA fibrillation. After adding MPA, several new peaks appeared, including amina stretching at 3000 50 and 3,125 centimeter. Triazine ring preparation at 1,589 and 1,506 centimeter, and the deformation at 808 centimeter. This result confirms hydrogen bonding between the components, strengthening and the cross-linking behavior. Next, 3.3 MPa distribution in aerogel. Same figure 4. Image shows a 3D network structure in aerogel. Ks aerogel had relative descent power while due to hydrogen bonding in between CGM and SA. Upon adding MPa, the pore structure more irregular, due the hydrophobic effect of MPa inhibiting ice crystal growing during the Solga freezing process. At MPa concentration above 0.0% nanosheet adhere strongly the aerogel pore walls, causing the structural damage. Pore size increase with higher MPa content, figure thus 0.5 WT% MPa is recommended for aerogel preparation. Third, 0.4 mechanical property. Mechanical property play a crucial role in practical application of aerogel. Aerogel Ks 0.5 could support up to 7,100 times its weight without visual deformation. Figure A and the compression test, figure B and table S1, relief 3 phase, initial linear deformation, plastic deformation and densification. The maximum compressive strength of aerogel Ks 141.5 kilopascal with Ks MPa 0.5 saw a significant increase to 364.9 kilogram pascal. I had 0.5 showed a significant increase to 364.9 kilogram pascal, higher the several reported aerosols. However, with the higher MPa, Content compressive strength decreased to the excessive nanosheet embedding, which damages the pore wall structure. 3.5 Thermal stability. Thermal stability is an essential property for the thermal insulation and fire resistant aerogels. TG and DTG curves of KSA and KSMPA. Aerogel figure 6 showed that KS aerogel had a residue of 36.44%, while KSMPA aerogel had higher residue rates of 39.23% for KSMPA1. The addition of MPA improved thermal stability with discerned clear layer formation that delayed heat penetration. 3.6 Thermal insulation performance. Thermal insulation property evaluated by monitoring temperature change during heating at 180 Celsius in Figure A. Aerogel showed similar heat retention with the temperature difference between the top and bottom maintaining around 100 Celsius after 5 minutes of heating. Thermal conductivity measurement showed that KS had the lowest thermal conductivity, 0.0385 watt per meter Kelvin, which increased slightly with MPA addition. The 0.50 Wt% MPA aerogel had thermal conductivity of 0.043 watt per meter Kelvin, suggesting good balance of thermal insulation property. Next is 3.7 Fire resistant property. The fire behavior of aerogel was characterized using LOI and UL94 vertical burning tests. KS aerogel had on LOI of 23.4% and F1 rating, while KS MPA aerogel saw improved fire resistance with a maximum LOI value of 39% and F0 F0 rating for MPA concentration about 0.5%. Microcalorimeter test in figure B and C relieve a significant reduction in peak heat release rate or PHRR and total heat release THR in case MPA aerogel, indicating that MPA addition suppresses the exothermicity of the aerogel. Morphological analysis of the core residue showed that Ks aerogel shrank to S, while Ks MPA retained core layer that protect the aerogel from further combustion. This result suggests the aerogel with MPA addition exhibits excellent mechanical, thermal, and fire-resistant property, making them suitable for various applications, including thermal insulation and fireproofing. Here, the conclusion of the journal. Biomass-based aerogel were successfully prepared from GGM, SA, and MPA using the freeze-drying method. The addition of 0.5 WT% MPA provided an optimal balance with a compressive strength 164.9 kg/Pascal and thermal conductivity of 0.043 watt per meter Kelvin, LOI value of 33.9% and final rating in UL 94 test. MPA improves fire resistance through gas phase and considered synergistic mechanisms auto access addition. 0.5 WT% damage the pore structure, reduce porosity, and weakness mechanical performance and thermal insulation. KSMPA 0.5 aerogel is suitable as a replacement material for fire resistant exterior was is suitable construction, supporting the development of green industry by improving fire resistance and mechanical property without compressing thermal insulation. Here the access one is innovative approach. The research successfully developed biomass-based aerogel with multifunctional property. Thermal insulation, fire resistance, and mechanical strength. Using a freeze-drying method, they show great potential for sustainable application. 2. In-depth analysis. Test converted various important parameters such as compressive strength, thermal conductivity, fire resistance LOI, UL94, and car residue, providing a comprehensive picture of the aerogel performance. Third, practical orient application. Emphasis on the use of aerogel for exterior walls and portable home construction is a plus, linking research to industry needs. Fourth, contribution to green industry. Focus on biomass-based material that contribute to sustainability and reduce environmental impact. This context of the journal, lack of detailed mechanism explanation. Limitation: the synergic mechanism of the gas phase and condensed phase fire redundancy is only explained in general terms. Suggestion: provide a more detailed explanation of the specific chemical reaction or transformation involved, making the mechanism easier to understand for technical readers. Optimization not supported by dynamic data. Limitation: optimization at 0.5% MPa is based on static results, without testing under very environmental conditions or real-world application. Suggestion: include the durability test under extreme temperature, high humidity, or thermal cycling to validate the aerogel performance in the real-world condition. Limited long-term testing. Limitation: there is no long-term data on the gradation of mechanical property or thermal insulation performance of the aerogel. Suggestion: add long-term stability studies to evaluate performance after prolonged use over time. That's all for me. Please apologize if my pronunciation is lacking and others. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.